start of the day, you think about it. So Paul, look at this. Have you ever seen a bike locker? That's pretty cool. Minor setback, missing a bolt fell out of my brakes yesterday, and I just thought it'd be a quick grab a bolt and go, but ended up taking the shop and it adjusted. Take all the bags off, so we lost a bunch of time. So here we are. There is the end of C&O, beginning of the Great Allegheny. Up, I see light at the end of the tunnel. We aren't even in the front end. It's paved and smooth. There's mile marker 10. 24 is the top. A little past mile 11 out of 24 to the top of the Allegheny, the Continental Divide. Nice little spot. About a third of the way up the mountain. Paul and I were just thinking it'd be a good place to take a nap, but we're moving on.
You can stay here overnight.
Mount Savage Farm, Airbnb down there, I think.
You're gonna watch me eat every single peanut M&M.
I'm only having 2, but the Reese's peanut butter cups. Look at this thing. Holy cow. Hey! These are really cool. We reached Frostburg, which is 7 or 8 miles from the top. We thought it would be a nice little place to eat, which it will be. But first we have to go up all those switchbacks. We still can't see it. Okay, we're going up the switchbacks to eat. I don't think there's anything to eat for quite a while. We haven't ate for quite a while. Here's an end. Must be where they take off. $111-year-old tunnel, 957 feet long. Look at that, automatic lights. Getting dark, getting dark. Up, that's light again. Here comes Paul with the flashing light. Okay, the Mason-Dixon Line in Maryland and Pennsylvania. I'm in Maryland, and Paul's in Pennsylvania.
I'm in Pennsylvania.
This started in a family dispute between the Penns and the Calverts. Here is the Mason-Dixon Line. M-A-S-O-N and D-I-X-O-N. And a couple nice looking bikes in the middle. This must be the Big Savage Tunnel. There's these big fancy doors again. Everything that way, that water is going to Chesapeake Bay and Atlantic. That water is going to the Gulf of Mexico. In reality, that's theory. We made it to the mountaintop.
And we're dry. It's raining right now. It's pouring. We just made it.
So George Washington originally designed or was involved in the C&O Canal towpath, and he thought he could take it all the way to Pittsburgh, but that didn't really happen, and it probably couldn't have with the Allegheny Mountains. I just wanted photographic proof that water is flowing uphill.
Oh, that's cool.
The yellow line is supposed to be the highest point, Okay, there goes. The water went over. Now it should flow down. Who are we waiting out the rain with?
Carrie and Vanessa.
Hi. We're both all rain suited up. Light rain, light downhill. We found a great camping spot. We're at the Maple Festival grounds. They have showers, Wi-Fi, electrical outlets. It has been raining and it might rain tonight, so we can even stay on the stage. Showers, wow, look at this building. So Paul and I got into town late and we came to this incredible restaurant with this great waitress named Maddie. And the place is absolutely beautiful. It's a small town of Meyersdale, and we were the only ones here. It was a private dining experience. What was it before? Tell us what it was.
There was a morgue and then a tool company.
Okay. And are there haunted bodies in here?
People say so.
Huh?
Her name is Helen.
Helen? There's our camp set up.
Used the heater last night.
It was cold.
So here we're at the Maple Festival campsite, Pennsylvania. And what's in there? Well, they put these bags up because they have a problem with wood beam.
It's a cool building. Look at that old wood.
This is a bar of soap. This keeps away some sort of bug.
Bug repellent. Great place to stay. Electrical outlets, internet, sort of. Susie was super nice. Meyersdale, Pennsylvania.
This is Bruce Mills Falls. It's the biggest Mills Falls that they have. The falls is actually about 150 feet tall.
We are about halfway between Rockport and Confluence. They're talking about their new show, The Misguided. And they live in a ranch.
Yep.
Except, what's your name?
Yeah, I'm Trout. Trout lives in the van.
Trout lives in the van. He can live in a house, he lives in the van. Is there any drama in the ranch, ever?
Sometimes.
Is there drama in the van?
No, yeah.
Bruce Mills and Paul Miller.
Oh, group of two?
Yes.
You guys are with Tom today. These are going to be one of the most useful pieces of equipment, but they can also be one of the most dangerous pieces of equipment if we mishandle them.
Oh, the water's refreshing.
Forward with your body, back with your body, and just kind of drag the paddle along with you as you do it. forth, a high five. Nice,
Right.
nice maneuvering.
There's the biking bridge. We'll be on that in a couple hours. So we went rafting on the Youghiogheny River, the Lower Yough, as they call it, this morning. So we're not getting started till 4 o'clock from Ohiopyle, so we aren't going to ride too far. We've been a long way from the Youghiogheny River, so. Entering Connellsville, Pennsylvania. They rang the bell for our arrival. And we have a KOA campsite today and outside of Connellsville. We're at the KOA campground near Connellsville, Pennsylvania, and had a great campsite. We're right next to these Ryan and Lexi here, who are on an incredible journey.
Now we're going from Pittsburgh to DC with the two little guys. One bikes and the other sits behind us. We're crazy enough to think we can do this.
Hi there.
Say hi.
What's your name?
That's Regis and this is Clifton.
Hi, Clifton. Can you say hi to the camera? Say hi. And they're how old?
5 and 1.
He's actually pedaling.
Yeah, he'll pedal as far as he can go, and then
Where does bike go? There it is.
yeah, we strap him on.
Wow, how many days is this going to take?
10.
Have you done this before?
Yeah.
We've done a lot of the legs, but we've
the-
never done the
full
full
thing.
Just making memories.
Alrighty. It'll be an incredible adventure. Thank you, appreciate it.
Nice to meet you.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, and off they go. See you later. Great talking to y'all. Here we are.
So this is number 100, and that means we've drank 99 bottles of beer, and we're getting the last one, and we're done.
184 and a half on the Sino Canal towpath, and 100 on the Great Allegheny Passage. We're in Van Meter, Pennsylvania. Refrigerator with all kinds of snacks and fruit and ice cream. Coming into Newton, not too far from Pittsburgh. This place is Budtown Knob and the river's right behind it. Welcome to the Trailside Restaurant and Pub. Very bike friendly.
Right there, at the trail side, and tomorrow we're going to Pittsburgh.
In West Newton, the home of Rusty, a pioneer settler. This is Team Seltzer from the Seltzer Family. Who's the spokesman here?
We're here from Cleveland. We're enjoying your trail. It's a good one.
And why do you guys wear orange?
Orange. Hunters are orange. So should you.
Okay, they all have orange. Paul has orange. The hunters are going to be after me in the blue.
We've learned that when you're walking at night in the streets, the most dangerous place to be is next to the guy with the reflective vest.
You aren't making me feel any safer. So this is where we're staying. Some of the things say it's at the cemetery and some say it's next to it. So we'll figure that out. I think it's next to it. Oh, there's bike fixing tools. Well, the bathrooms say security cameras in use, so I don't know. And there's a marker that says 25. I'm guessing that's 25 miles to Pittsburgh. Camp Aliquippa. Very nice. It isn't quite level, but it looks very nice. Other than that, it looks great. Oh, look at the bottom. I think it's level at the bottom. Very nice campsite. We have a choice of a lean-to there with a wood floor. And down here are some terraced areas. Are those headstones? I'm not sure I want to sleep next to a headstone. The fire pit in the middle is the crematorium.